And finally, my long-awaited lunch. Oh, yeah, I'm starving. What was that? I almost choked to death. Who's that evil creature? Oh, it's you.
Hello, I'm Pou. Nice to meet you.
Oh, my cat, he's adorable. Look at you.
I'm hungry. Can you help me with that, please?
Poor thing. Here, but only one bite. I think it would be more than enough for yourselves.
Wow, awesome, thank you.
What? But it was my food, too. Well, never mind. I'm glad you're not hungry anymore, little... What?
I don't feel so comfortable. Need to take a bath.
Is it really bad?
I think it is.
Oh, you smell terrible. Don't worry, you'll be ready in a minute or two. Close your eyes, little Pooh.
Thank you for helping me.
Oh, I almost forgot the water. Ready? Oh, my cat. Hang in there, bud. This will make you feel better.
I can't breathe. Hey, it doesn't taste that bad. Thank you, Cat Dad. This is the game I love the most. It's your turn now.
You're like Messi. I'll be Martinez then. Catch.
Wait, ouch, do this. Oh, too tired.
Oops, didn't mean to hurt you. Sorry. It's time to go to bed, little guy. There you go. You look so cute. Love you. Sleep tight. I'm taking a nap too. Cats need them. Good morning, everyone. Pooh?
You're awake.
Ah! Oh no! Where's my legs? What happened? Huh?
Are you hungry?
No!
Let's get some food.
I don't want to. Don't you hear me? Let me go.
Silence!
Ah! You don't have to be so rude. No. What are you? You could have cut it into slices. So hard.
You smell a little bit. Why don't you take a quick bath, don't you?
That's offensive. No, wait. Stop it at once. I'm clean already. What? I think he's distracted enough to not notice that I'm grabbing this car wheel. Yes.
We'll play over here.
Ah, dang it. Ouch. Why does he always have to throw me against a wall? Oh, found the car. Pooh, what are you gonna do?
I bet you can guess it, Catnap.
I don't wanna know. What can I do? That's it. Do you wanna play some soccer with me?
Of course, kid. I got the ball right here. Catch!
Okay. Are you ready for my special move? Hi-ya!
Nice shot.
It worked. Now, where is it? Where did... found it. There's no time to lose.
It's so fast.
Come on, hurry. Every single second counts.
Finally got it. Yeah, Catnap will love me.
It's almost done. Oh no, I ran out of time.
Oh, Catnap, I'm coming.
I don't want to die. All right, this is my last resort. Hello? Yeah.
I'll send him to
Pizza
the door.
time.
What could it be?
Waiting. Oh, hi. Here's your pizza.
Oh my, I was so hungry.
How could this be that difficult? Oh, my Katniss!
Hey, are you trying to escape? You can run, but you can't hide from me.
I need to get out of here. Wait a minute. I can search in here until some good idea magically appears in my mind. Come on. Perfect. Oh, my cat. He's coming.
Right in the perfect spot.
No, I don't deserve any of this.
Shut up.
You're worse than I thought, so I have to make another kind of decision. Ready.
What are you talking about? Come back. You belong to me.
I'll see you on the other side, Pooh. Goodbye.
What do you think you're doing with that? Wait, no! You didn't have to be that rude!
But I chose to. So easy.
What's happening?
No, wait. You don't have to do this.
I want to.
Help, she's stronger than me.
Your happy days are over forever, Pooh.
No, what? Stop this madness.
Pooh, you're alive. I'm glad to know it, my dear friend.
Hey, you're awake. That's good.
What really happened?
You see,
Pooh?
I need some urgent help.
I'm here. What can I do for you?
The bandages and food are there.
What? You're telling me I have to go through her? You gotta be kidding me, Pooh.
I'm not exaggerating. I need some bandages and food in order to get better.
Yeah, I know, but is there another way to do it? She's totally scary, and I'm just a kid, dude.
It's the only way.
What? Wait, who said that?
She won't stop until getting all of us, one by one. You have to be ready, player.
What? Wait, how do you know that?
It wasn't long ago when I saw it all. Listen up, boy.
Call me Lionel Messi. I'm gonna win.
Your dreams. This is more fun than bathing, but it is totally necessary, though. Help me! Oh, be careful with my eyes. Is it done? It's cold. Thank you. You're the best, Pooh.
I'm happy to help. What should we eat today, huh?
Let me think. Everything?
That was awesome. That's great. What's that, Paulina? No, watch out, spider!
It's too late for her. Be one of us. Oh, it hurts. Pooh, help me, please. Oh.
Paulina, hang in there.
I don't think so.
Are you all right?
You're the best brother I've ever had. Oh, what's happening to me?
Paulina,
Run,
wait!
run!
We have to find it back!
She no longer exists! Welcome, Spider Pooh, and die!
Stop this madness!
What's happening? Oh no, Paulina! Wait! I won't let you hurt your brother! Oh no!